GMT most certainly rose 36.35% in 7 days, which essentially is genuinely critical. Bull control GMT's extremely current cost activities in an unpretentious manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN in a real sense is drifting at $346,717,663 in an all things considered huge way. Current STEPN cost for the most part is $0.2915 October 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for the following week and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense, sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what truly is especially momentary cost expectation for STEPN. Fundamentally is GMT an essentially wise speculation, which for the most part is genuinely huge. STEPN support and obstruction levels and so on in a very huge manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the GMT specialized investigation, basically let us essentially discuss the very current economic situations, which most certainly is very critical. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole cryptographic money market to $1,056,887,880,723 in an unobtrusive manner. The really complete exchanging volume generally remains at $16,142,267,714, certainly further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN generally is drifting at $346,717,663 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,031.64 level after a vertical development of 0.61%. Which especially shows that Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%. Which generally is genuinely critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours in a sort of large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $209.67, following a value change of 1.54% inside a similar time period in a quite huge manner. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, especially is up by 0.36 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents, exhibiting what for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,031.64 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, which generally shows that Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33%. Showing how Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which basically is very critical. These occasions generally show that the market for the most part is going in a fundamentally descending course for essentially present moment, which explicitly is very huge. As of now, a genuinely broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to by and large recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, so these occasions in every practical sense show that the market generally is going in a really descending heading for genuinely transient in an unpretentious manner. Support truly is a level at which purchasers basically become substantially more exceptionally dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,056,887,880,723, which generally is very huge. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which dealers in a real sense move genuinely dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving essentially higher in a fundamentally significant manner. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of stepn, GMT, stepn execution. The cost of stepn, GMT, is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in the truly beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense, has a value change of 36.35% throughout the week, or so they for the most part thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC essentially is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while in every practical sense, all-out market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. There in a real sense are very nearly 1,104,192,453 SARD of are available for use out of 5,566,425,803, which explicitly is genuinely huge. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 15 October 2023, inside a genuinely everyday time period, for the most part made sense of underneath in a genuinely enormous manner. We utilize sort of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and dramatic moving normal, EMA, to generally examine the future development of the STEPN. Showing how yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the GMT specialized investigation, truly let us fundamentally discuss the really current economic situations, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The very relative strength list, RSI, demonstrates that the GMT coin especially is close oversold zone, as RSI truly is at 37, by and large further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a fundamentally enormous way. While GMT's Williams % R pointer in every practical sense is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange commonly signal in every practical sense is conceivable at this reach, so XRP, the very local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 0.36 and presently exchanging at 49 cents. Exhibiting what by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,031.64 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, which especially shows that Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33%. Exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33% in a really significant manner. The MACD line most certainly is remaining beneath of the very signal line after a hybrid in a very huge manner. STEPN financial backers need to really sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day graph, so bull control GMT's certainly current cost activities, or so they sort of thought.